Alright guys, this is your math for day 11, first day of the new packet. We are starting subtraction, so this will be completely new to you. So please make sure you're following along with me. One sunny day, 90 bees were buzzing around. They got too hot, so 69 of them took a nap. How many bees were still buzzing around? So, we are subtracting, so we need to do, this time we're going to write blank minus blank equals question mark. Now in a subtraction problem, the bigger number always has to go first. In the problems we are working with for the next 10 days, there's no extra information. So the two numbers they give you are the two numbers you use. So we have 90 and 69. So they started with 90 bees. And then 69 of them took a nap. Okay, show your thinking using base 10 blocks. So the first thing that's different about subtraction than addition is you only make the first number in base 10 blocks. So we're only making this first number, which is 90. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. We do not make the second number, okay? That is a very, very important step with base 10 blocks. All right, now we look at our second number and we look at the ones place. We see that we have a 9 in the ones place. So we need to cross off 9 ones. We do not have any ones. So we need to trade a 10 for ones. And how we're going to do that is we're going to mark out 110, draw an arrow, and make 10 ones, not 9, 10, because one 10 rod is worth 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we see if we have enough to mark off those 9 ones. And we do. So I'm going to mark off 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I count how many I have left, and I have 1 left. So I'm going to put a 1 in my ones. Now I'm finished with my ones. I need to go to my tens. I need to mark off 6 more tens. So this one does not count as part of the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so now I count how many tens I have left, and I have 2 tens left. So I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place. So my answer for my base 10 blocks is 21. Let's see if we can get that with our number line. So as always, I'm going to put our problem up here so we can remember. You will still need a color for your tens and a color for your ones. So I'm going to put a T in purple because I'm going to use that for my tens today. And I'm going to put my O for my ones in green because I'm going to use that for my ones today. All right, the big important thing about number lines that's different than when you're subtracting is you're going to start at the end of the number line instead of the beginning. And we're still going to put our big first number there. So we're starting with 90. Now we get our tens color. We look at our tens place. We have a 6 in the tens place of the second number. Remember, we always look at the second number. So we have a 6. So starting with 90, going backwards, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each one of these, we're going to put minus 10. And these are going to be harder because we are counting backwards. And this is your first day. So make sure you're following along. Don't get stressed out. We're going to go over one of these every day. And when we get back to school, we'll keep working on it. So please do not worry if this is hard for you right now. You will get it. All right. So now we count backwards after we make our humps and put minus 10 in each one. We're going to count backwards by 10 and put it at the end of each hump. So 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, and then 30. And then we're finished up with our tens. So then we need our ones color, okay? Our ones is in green. We're going back 9 ones. I got that from my second number looking in the ones place. We have a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we're counting back. We're going to trace as we go. Ready? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. And that's what we got with our base 10 blocks, so we are correct. Now we take our equation from the first one and we make it into a number sentence. And we're going to put 90 minus 69 equals, and we have our answer now, which is 21. So what is your final answer? 21, but remember when we do a word problem, we have to have a word afterwards. So it's going to be 21 bees because that is what the problem is talking about. 21 bees. Alright guys, I know this is new and it may be hard at first, especially counting backwards, but please stick with me these next few days. I promise I'm going to help you with it every day. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I love and miss you guys and I hope to hear from you.